We have got good news for you. Now you can save your natural knees without a knee replacement. Yes, you heard that right. When you can save your natural knee, then there is no need for a replacement. Restoknee Surgery. No replacement. Save natural knees. Restoknee Surgery is based on advanced 3D reconstruction technology and proven orthopedic methodology. It's most safe, most painless, most effective. In Restoknee Surgery, there is no foreign body part, no stem cell injection, no opening of joints, and practically nil infection. You are free to do any activities including outdoor sports. Since 38 years, 1000 plus successful Restoknee Surgery, 99.9% accurate surgical planning, recognized by renowned international and national orthopedic journals. Restoknee Surgery is a trust of 1000 plus of families from India, America, Canada, Australia, Middle East and Africa. Our chief Restoknee surgeon and Gujarat's senior-most orthopedic surgeon with vast experience of 42 years, Dr. J.J. Patwa, is rewarded by Rashtrapati Award for his extraordinary achievement in the field of orthopedics. So now, what are you waiting for? Save your natural knee without replacement. Call now 94287 46802. Restoknee Hospital. No replacement, save natural knee.